baby. These mozzarella sticks are absolutely delicious, especially with my chunky monkey tomato sauce. Quick and easy, super simple. Let's eat.
I'm gonna chop 1/2 onion, about 20 cloves of garlic, and place them all in a pot and saute them. You want about equal parts onion and garlic tomato sauce, trust me. Then you're gonna put in a capful of your favorite Mediterranean seasoning, and then 1 29-ounce can of tomato sauce, and let that cook down for about a half an hour. Then we're gonna take our mozzarella sticks, dip them in flour, dip them in egg wash, and then dip them into an herb crumb, back into the egg wash for another dredging, and then put it back into the crumb so you get that nice crispy exterior that you want. You want to make sure you get a nice coating on there so from when you fry it. You want to repeat this process until all of the mozzarella sticks are ready. Put them in a refrigerator and let them set while your oil heats up. Heat it up to 375 degrees, then fry it until golden brown until the cheese just starts to come out. Fry all of these up until you're done.
Action. Oh yeah. Ooh, let's get in here. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Can I get it off screen? Can I get it off screen? Let's go, baby. Let's go. Jump rope. Ooh. Let's go. Jump rope. Oh.